they sent through like a demo of Rain at first, and then they sent a backing track, and it was really tricky to try to get the timing, as it was like a piano piece at first, like made into a song.
僕からお願いしたのは、とりあえず元の曲のキーは絶対変えませんと。ボーカルに合わせてキーを変えてしまうと、月の光はあのキーでなくなってしまうと、もう月の光ではないので、あくまでも本当にオーソドックスな月の光の演奏があり、それを邪魔しない、さらに欲を言えば、相乗効果が生まれるようなレインオリジナルのテーマ曲ができるっていうのを目標に制作しました。もし皆さんの気持ちに記憶に残れば本当に嬉しく思います。
It was like a challenge to fit all the words in, but I managed to do it, and it was really cool. It was a real great experience, and I really liked the song. Been wandering round, lost in this night, like a stranger I walk alone through a cold and empty world, where the rain whispers to my heart, and the moon